Hey guys, it's Tarahgee. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I kind of just wanted to create some artwork for my room. I was feeling really creative, but just not in like a makeup way. So the first thing that you want to do is get a canvas. I got these at Michael's. I think it was like 3 for $14.99, I want to say. Super cheap. So you're going to trace out the first initial of your name or whatever initial that you want with a pencil first, because that's how we're going to keep the line straight. And then I'm going to take some black acrylic paint. Any paint will work. I mean, you know, it's paint, whatever. And I'm just going to start to paint my initial. This is pretty self-explanatory, so you guys can just watch me do that. Okay, so I went over the lines like a lot of times just to make sure it was kind of almost perfect. So then I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge. This is what I'm going to use to stick down the gold leaf flakes onto my canvas because I couldn't find the gold leaf adhesive and I felt like this would work just as good. But yeah, I got these gold flakes from Michael's also, and just kind of put the Mod Podge where you want the gold flakes to go. This part can be a little bit messy because it just is supposed to look like a burst. It's not supposed to look too concentrated. And yeah, just kind of like sprinkle it all over the canvas, and then that's pretty much this piece of artwork done. So for the next piece, I'm taking another canvas, obviously. This is kind of going to be like a really free-handed situation. I'm literally just taking black paint and I'm going to draw a little squiggle. Then I took the white paint and drew a squiggle. Then I put them both in my hand and kind of just messily did that, whatever you would call that. And then what you want to do is just kind of set up the painting outside and let it drip until you like the way it looks. Okay, there's no really like way to do this. You just have to let it drip. I added a little bit of silver paint just to kind of give it a little bit more of a metallic feel because my room is going to be mixed metals. It's like gold stuff, silver stuff. I didn't want it to be, you know, too much of one thing. So before all of that paint dries, I just took the gold leaves and sprinkled it onto the wet paint. And once it drips to the way you like it, I mean, this one's pretty much done. Like that literally takes like, no lie, maybe 20 minutes. Guys, I'm a whole artist. Like, I was so feeling myself. Okay, so for this next one, I really wanted to incorporate some Chanel into my room because I feel like it's just iconic. You know what I'm saying? And that's my favorite brand. One day I'll own one. Okay, mark my words. So I printed out 2 images. I didn't know which one I wanted to use yet, but I ended up just going with a perfume bottle. So this part is just me kind of figuring out where I want to place or what kind of situation I'm doing. But yeah, I ended up just going with the perfume bottle, and at first I tried to just glue it down with this Mod Podge, but I came to find out quickly that that's not glue. So I ended up just going in with a glue stick and kind of re-sticking it down, and then I went in with the Mod Podge over it just to seal the image onto the actual canvas. And then once I did that, I went in with the Mod Podge again and a sponge, and I just kind of outlined the image, and then I gold leafed around it. You guys will see what I mean. You just kind of have to watch it, but it's really easy. this got to be glued free spray. This is not just to secure your wig, sis. This is multifunctional, okay? We love a multifunctional product. So I just sprayed it just to kind of set everything in place, and then that was that done. So yeah guys, that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super easy, and I feel like these are gonna look so cute in my room. I'll totally post something on Instagram once I actually have them up on my wall, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!